How to share Google Calendar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari web application on your phone. Now, go to the website, calendar.google.com. You will be taken to Google Calendar website on the mobile version. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Desktop to load the full desktop version of the website. Once the page loads, find the My Calendars list on the left panel. Tap the three dots icon next to the name of the calendar you wish to share. Then, tap on Settings and Sharing. Now, scroll down the page to the Share With section and then tap on the Add People and Groups button. A pop-up will now appear. Here, you can enter the email address of the person you want to share with. Once the email has been entered, set the permissions to see all event details and tap the Send button. Following these steps, you can easily share a Google Calendar on an iPhone.